this is my third time to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. So, good evening to all of you. Hope you enjoyed these delicious talks by different distinguished scientists from Thailand and India. And I am hoping that among, like from baby girl side or from boy side, they get some training from like our institute, and welcome you all to visit our institute. It's far from like Latur. It will take 36 hours by train, but by flight only 2 hours. So today what you learn, just summarize that you learn about different byproduct from marine resources through Professor Benjakul, then natural pigment through Dr. Nile, then like enzymes and their utilization, their application in I was not there, but I thought Mahesh did a talk on enzymes. Then Umesh also did excellent work on fish and marine resources. So just try to focus your research on biomanufacturing, because the future era is biomanufacturing. Government need some products, not only research. Because for example, I have 150 publication, but that is in the PDF form. Just people downloading and just reading. So no use. But along with research publication, we have to do something for society, like for farmers, for health sector, for food sector. And as a scientist, as a researcher, that's our duty to deliver something towards society through these biomanufacturing value-added products. You have to make value addition through your knowledge, and hope you can do that one. And I really thankful to the two rows. They came to me after lunch and they said sorry, and that is the spirit. I said I was also same during my graduation, but I maintained merit in university. You know, I got like topper in university. So you can do whatever we want, but in the field or during your cultural activities, we have you have stage, big stage outside, so you can do your motivational things outside the gathering. Okay, so and if you need to know about different fellowships, exams like NET, GATE, ICMR fellowship is there. Then there are like different like worldwide, there are different fellowships. Those are having value more than 75,000 to 1 lakh. For example, Star Fellowship from Singapore, Cash Fellowship from China, KGSP from like Korea, DAD from Germany, and you know Mahesh recently, like last year, he got Marie Curie, one of the like prestigious fellowship. Then Hamburg is there. So try to crack that fellowships. That is very important. Like just we are coming, like our role is that just we will deliver our research. But along with that, like our duty to guide to you to get different fellowships. Try from like basics. First, try to crack the IELTS. IELTS is very important for many countries. IELTS, the English, and just start discussing among you. Maybe मी पण असंच खेड्यातून आलेलं जाणवलं, मग तसं तुम्हाला जाणवलं. ठीक आहे, बेटावर जायचं, त्या औषधी खायचं आणि घरी यायचं. असंच रिसर्च सुरू झालं. मी सांगितलं ना, ऑब्झर्वेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. फॉर एनी रिसर्च, simply observe the things. And even like I had opportunity to discuss some projects with some girls, and like they came to take like pics, but they also discussed some projects, and that is very good. That from like this is a like we call as Marathwada as a remote, okay, but we have a lot of resources. You can connect with Mahesh, and you can visit NCL. Mahesh have like very good facility, and he can connect with other scientists also for HPLC, on LCMS, GCMS. So we invited him here. So now it's like his duty to invite us for analysis and all things, and he will definitely help you. I promise. So Professor Benjakul like here. He also helped a lot to COCSIT through student exchange and all things. But before that, you have to learn at least some basic techniques. So that is very important to get enrolled in. Is you should know basic techniques, at least how to make some solvent, solution. We should know the basic terms. What is solute, what is solution, what is solvent. These are like three different. Then what is meant by internal standard, external standard. Then how to calibrate, what is calibration curve. This is very, very important. These are like basic practical steps. When I was actually in COCSIT, I visited one college nearby, from Latur, and they invited me as external. And I went, and they said already our student done practical DNA extraction. Just I have to sign the marks, and I saw the marks, 100 out of 100, all students. Then I said, what kind of practical they did? The particular faculty said, they extracted DNA. So I said, okay, I will sign on that particular mark sheet if they answer one question, only one question. I asked one simple question, like you did extraction of DNA. What is the color of DNA? What is structure? And I have your choice, black, blue, yellow, and triangle, circular. And out of that, we have 60 students. All are saying some people are saying triangular, some saying yellow color. So now that question I am asking to you: what is the color of DNA after extraction? Colorless or milkish sometimes. So don't think or don't ask or don't force to get extra mark for practical to your teacher. So मुझे 100 चाहिए, no use. 60 to 70 is enough for practical. When I was in masters, we have in practical we have 55, 60, 70, and we cracked many interviews. So try to get that knowledge, not marks. Knowledge is important, not the marks. So this is आज इतना close बहुत हो गया, ठीक है, फिर भी मिलेंगे. So try to connect with us through LinkedIn. एक लड़के के सर बोले LinkedIn accept करो तो I did it. So try to connect with all scientists through LinkedIn. But first develop yourself as a competitor for position. Maybe in PSQ, maybe in NABI, anywhere. And you have excellent faculties and basic facility all are there. Just try to grab that opportunity, and you can connect with other institutes. And most welcome to NABI and NCL on behalf of Mahesh. Okay, thank you all for your kind attention and spending your whole day with us. Thank you.
Thank you for making a special bond with students. So now I would like to call from the participants Dr. Kanachari sir. He is working as a scientist in Indian Council for Agricultural Research in Hyderabad. So please share your opinion on today's seminar.
First of all, I will thank to COCSIT and the Department of Biotechnology for organizing such a wonderful national seminar. Why I am telling, first of all, after saying immediately after seeing the project and then after saying the title, I immediately decided that first I need to go and attend the conference. I didn't see the means that is the university or institute or college. I saw the the topic, and then as a researcher, I know that in current scenario means what sir told that now. I will before telling that I will say one word that biotechnology. Generally, we think that students we will read these 2-3 sentences and we say that this is biotechnology. But what our topic is saying that is actual real biotechnology. Biotechnology means what is naturally available biological molecules is converted into the useful or commercial products. That is the biotechnology. Actually, one more thing, biotechnology is just reading that course will cover only simple 1 or 2 smart subjects. But I think one and only the course biotechnology, it will cover all life sciences along with maths, physics, botany, engineering courses, everything will cover in biotechnology. You see today morning to evening, we attended so many sessions and speakers, and then maybe you understand that how many courses it's covered. It's covered almost all, right? That is biotechnology. That's why I hope students got information. I think I'm appreciating the speakers. They are not only delivering the means whatever they research. They are guiding the students. I really appreciate it, sir. And then we won't see this kind of thing. We should take as a positive and advance. Take as a advance and contact to scientists, and then do good projects there, and then it will decide your career. Project will decide your career. What sir told that is 100% correct. Means whatever 100 marks you are getting, but when you will go society, you won't get job. Nowadays, you should have the academic knowledge along with the practical knowledge. Without practical knowledge, especially in biotechnology field, getting job is impossible in current scenario. I worked in different institutes in India, and then I worked in different countries from US and Europe like that, in big institutes. What I learned that there, in BSc itself, undergraduate, BSc itself, students want to do their independent project. That is lacking in even in MSc courses also we don't have projects. But even some institutes, some colleges, some universities, they are following the curriculum, but some institutes still they are just water semester they are following, and their graduate students are graduating coming out. After that, where they will go? If you join any company, if you go any academic sector, if you go any research institutes, they will see what you did, what you learn. What sir told that if you are not doing the practical in DNA, which color, how you know that? You want to experience yourself, right, by hands? Then only you know that DNA of the color or not. What is the structure of DNA? Sir asked. Right. Okay, that's called that means this kind of questions you will face in interview. I really enjoyed all the sessions. Especially why I came here means this is what you are working in, what kind of area you are working now. Even students also they presented whatever talks they presented means finally what they are going to send some products, right? Useful for either some disease treatment or cancer treatment or some useful products. Thank you once again, and then especially organizing committee. I'm really appreciating that covering the national and international speakers from reputed institutes. This is really helpful for students. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Now I would like to request Dr. Benjakul, sir, please share their opinion on today's seminar.
So I hope that today is going to be a platform for the students also the audience to learn more about the value products from different kind of raw material, also different approaches. And one more thing actually I want to encourage the students also that actually maybe you think that you from the remote of college. So but for me also I'm from the university located far away from Bangkok, but we are confident that we are number one in terms of seafood in Thailand. You know why? My look or what? So, because of we confident in our knowledges, we have taken a long time to understand and also try our best to create the new things. So novelty also important, and also like impact. They mentioned that you have to do something that have impact to society and also industry also important. That because we as a scientist or researcher, we need the grant or how to convince the grant agency to support you. You know why? How? So you have to prove yourself that you have true knowledge, experiences, very important and confident. And also when you presentation also, I saw that's why I just share with you that when you want to present something, you have to convince the community to understand that you are the true or right person to get the grant. So for example, for example, they say 5 minutes. So it means that you have to arrange everything carefully. Introduction, okay, maybe 1 minute enough. Okay, major point of result discussion, okay, and also conclusion, solid conclusion. So it depends if you're flexible. If they give you 1 hour, of course you have to extend. You cannot finish within 5 minutes, right? So this one is kind of like justification, very important to make your life go ahead. So no matter where you are from, and you're lucky as some people mentioned that your background by technology is kind of multidisciplinary, and I think three of them, right? They have background bachelor degree in biotechnology, exactly. So you see that now they are grow up and success in career path. So the same thing you can see there's a model. Okay, so I think you will be lucky to just have like many fields and you can apply. Like for example, Patil, Umesh Patil also have a background bachelor degree in biotechnology, master biotechnology also, and also he kind of pursued his PhD in food science technology by implementing the knowledge that he have. So this is a very important thing for you that learn and try to understand clearly. As mentioned, Dr. Willie mentioned, because I have experiences, I have to kick out some student who doesn't know anything about even the solution, concentration, and how can we get the reliable result, right? Without the knowing how what's molality mean, what normality mean, didn't know. So not only, so different combination, we have to please go to my lab, go to other lab, maybe better for you. So this is thing also that we just check, just at the beginning, and we know that this is the right person or not the right person, okay? So I hope that last but not least, I want to say that I want you to have the progress and success in your study, and for the one who finished your master degree, hopefully you can get a scholarship, good scholarship, but you need to prove yourself as the right person again. Okay, good luck for all. Thank you so much.
Now it's time to distribute certificate among the participants. So first of all, I would like to request all the dignitaries, please felicitate our students with the with certificates. So from the faculty, so first participant is Dr. Vidya Ringe ma'am. So please welcome Dr. Vidya Ringe ma'am. And I request all the dignitaries, please felicitate Vidya Ringe ma'am by offering a certificate. Now second one is Dr. Sarika Bhalira ma'am. Dr. Sarika Bhalira ma'am. Please give a big hand. Now from oral presentation, the first student is Pratiksha Jadhav. Please give a big round of applause. Next one is Shivraj Nikita. Please clap. And third one is Mahesh. And some students also from the participants. The first one is Nirgunde Ghanisham. Please come forward. Please give a big round of applause. Second one is Balgunde Shraddha. Please clap. Now the last one is Kasbe Akash. Please come forward. Now I request all the dignitaries please occupy the chairs. Now I'd like to request our chairperson, principal, Dr. V. Jadhav sir, please share their opinion on today's seminar.
आजच्या कार्यक्रमासाठी उपस्थित बेंजाकुल सर, उमेश पाटील, महेश पाटील, डॉक्टर निळे सर, आमच्या महाविद्यालयाच्या बायोटेक डिपार्टमेंटचे HOD प्रोफेसर आणि चांगलं असं अँकरिंग करत असलेल्या भगिनी सुषमाताई मुंडे मॅडम आणि महाविद्यालयातील प्राध्यापक, विद्यार्थी मित्र, मला माहिती आहे जसं निळे सरांनी सांगितलं गुड मॉर्निंग म्हणून, गुड आफ्टरनून म्हणून की गुड इव्हनिंग म्हणून, याचा अर्थ काय झाला, तुम्ही सकाळपासून संध्याकाळपर्यंत या ओझ्याखाली निश्चित थकलेले आहे. म्हणून परत एकदा ओझं टाकणं आणि तुमचा जास्तीचा जास्त वेळ घेऊन अजून बोर करणं हे मला माहिती आहे. कारण मी 40-45 वर्षापासून याच पेशामध्ये आहे. परत आपल्याला आपला वेळ घ्यावा, तुम्हाला बोर करावं, कारण बरेच जण जागा सांभाळत आहेत, काहीतरी प्राईज डिस्ट्रीब्युशन केलंय, त्याच्यामुळे ते पटकन कधी सुटेल याच्या प्रयत्नात निश्चित आहे. पण तुमचा वेळ निश्चित घेणार नाही. ज्यांना ज्यांना सर्टिफिकेट मिळाले त्यांचं अभिनंदन तुम्हाला तुमचं करतो आहे. आणि हमेशा आमच्या महाविद्यालयाचा, आमच्या अध्यक्षांचा असा प्रयत्न राहिलेला आहे की फक्त टीचिंग हे पुस्तकापर्यंतच मर्यादित न ठेवता पुस्तकाच्या पुढे जाऊन, म्हणजे जगामध्ये नवीन नवीन काय चाललंय, कुठले कुठले संशोधन तुमच्या आलेले आहेत, संशोधन काय चालू ते आपल्याला माहिती व्हावं म्हणून 2-2 सायंटिस्ट या कार्यक्रमासाठी निमंत्रित होते, आमंत्रित होते. मग त्याबद्दल मी निळे सरांचं, बेंजाकुल सरांचं आणि दोन्ही पाटील सरांचं मन भरून कौतुक करतोय. बेंजाकुल सरांना समजो की न समजो, पण तुम्हाला ते सांगायला लागलंय म्हणून मी तुमच्यासाठी बोलतोय. कारण हा कार्यक्रम हा तुमच्यासाठी, कारण हा कार्यक्रम तुमच्यासाठी आहे म्हणून तुमच्यासाठी बोलतोय. मित्र, बरं झालं या निमित्तानं, कारण तुमच्यामध्ये ऊर्जा निर्माण मला करता आली म्हणून मी तुम्हाला प्रत्येकाचं परत एकदा कौतुक करतो, अभिनंदन करतो. आणि याही पुढे जाऊन आपल्या त्या विषयातलं सखोल ज्ञान घेण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करावेत यासाठी तुम्हाला शुभेच्छा देतोय आणि वाढलेल्या वाणीला पूर्णविराम देऊन थांबतोय.
Congratulations to all the students who get certificates. A very special thank you to Dr. Benjakul sir for coming here and give your valuable time and share your valuable knowledge with us. Special thank you to Dr. Shivraj sir. Thank you Dr. Umesh Patil sir, Dr. Mahesh Patil sir. Special thank you from Biotech Department to all the faculty members, all the students, and special thank you for teaching and non-teaching staff also, because they are with us for the whole day. So thank you everyone, thank you one and all. On the permission of Chairperson, I declare today's program is over here.